The world is changing. And it's changing fast. Are you worried about robots and artificial intelligence replacing your job? It's possibly going to happen much sooner than you think. It's easy to see how many blue-collar tasks have already been lost. Factories have been optimized for automation for many decades already. Warehouses are now being managed by freewheeling robots. Fast food workers, baristas, drivers, and security guards. The list of jobs at risk of imminent displacement goes on and on. At least 800 million jobs are estimated to be at risk of automation by the year 2030. But what about white-collar jobs? Here are some big industries that are about to go through a lot of disruption. Number 1. We are now replacing tax advisors and accountants with easy-to-use software and apps on our mobiles. Is this a good career for the future? Number 2. Complicated algorithms are proving much more efficient than traders in the financial sector. How long before Wall Street is fully automated? Number 3. Secretarial and admin tasks have been optimized with the introduction of artificial intelligence and voice technology. Can you still tell if you are speaking to a computer or a human? Number 4. AI is even making inroads on the legal profession. A small group of Cambridge law graduates recently developed a program to predict cases. It beat a large team of some of the finest lawyers in the country hands down. Number 5. Surgery and medicine are being transformed by robotics. And artificial intelligence programs are already able to read scans 10,000 times faster than highly skilled human workers like radiologists. That's around 2 days' work in less than a minute. What jobs do you think will disappear soon? And what jobs do you think will always be safe? Please comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.